Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you a very advanced method to enable this ruler. So friend, here you can see that this is the top side ruler and this is the left side ruler. If these things is not showing in your Word document, so today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable so these things will showing in your Word document. So keep watching. So friend, here you can see that this is my Word document, Microsoft Word software, and friend, here you can see that my ruler is not showing in top side and left side. If you want to enable it, so I'm going to show you very simple steps to do that. So friend, here these are the menu tabs. You simply click on this view tab. So friend, when you click on this view tab, then you will see this show section. So friend, here you will see that this is the ruler option. You simply click on it and now you can see that this ruler is showing. By this ruler you can easily manage your paragraph alignment, and by this way you can easily increase or decrease the top and bottom size. Okay, for example, I'm going to show you the ruler things, how this will help you. So here this is the sample tags. Okay, and we want to start from here like this. Okay, this is the ruler on 3. We want to start from the 3. When you drag, then your text will start from here, not on the top. This will convert as a header, and after that your text will start. This is going left sideward. Now we are going to show you the second method, how you can use ruler. If you want to move this text from here and your text will start from here, so what you will do, you simply select these things and dragging here. Okay, so this text will start from here, so this will be blank and this side will be also blank. So friend, by this way you can use ruler and activate your ruler in Microsoft Word. So friend, this is the video which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily show and hide ruler. Let's see how we can hide this ruler. Okay, you simply click on this view button and then click this uncheck this ruler option, so your ruler will gone. So friend, by this tutorial you will learn how to enable and disable ruler in your Microsoft Word. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because friend, we uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.